Hello everyone, welcome to back Learn Teaching Institute. I hope everyone is doing well and I'm also good. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in this lecture we will learn one of the most important topics, and most people ask me how we can apply fully scholarship in the USA, and I have a 2 year research about that, and I will explain everything about that, how you can apply, what thing you need to do, and how you can maintain your profile, and which challenging you need to face, and how you can prepare yourself, anything like that. And the topic is that how you can get fully scholarship in the USA 2027. You can write your notes, and this plan is about 2027, because the 2026 is almost done, and I will explain everything. I cover every point, every important questions, and most people ask me anything I explain in this video. You need to must watch this video full to get fully scholarship in the USA. First of all, you make your mind. You do not need just uh, 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 you do not need just to get a fully grade in your any. If you complete your intermediate, if you complete your intermediate, and if you have done your bachelor, master, PhD, anything like that, you just don't believe on your grade. If you have a 70% grade, you are eligible for fully scholarship in the USA, because USA process is very different as compared to Pakistan. Because my our Pakistan's universities and the colleges, schools, anything, anywhere, they just believe on your grades. And most university conduct our personal entry test, which is very difficult, because this is not important, in my opinion, is that. And I will tell you how you can get. And first of all, you understand this point. You do not need just get fully grades in your intermediate, any department, anything like that. You need every part of, like, in your profile, every part you need learn, understand this situation, and you need make your profile in these sites, because USA is very different, very different. You need first of all understand how you can do this. First of all, I will tell you how you can maintain your profile. First of all, I tell you academic profile, how you can maintain this. Academic profile is like your grades. If you're applying bachelor, you need your metric grades and the intermediate grades. And if you are applying your master, you need your bachelor GPA and your transcript in from your university, anything like that. And same like master student, same like PhD student who apply PhD in the USA, you need to collect your master GPAs and transcript, anything like that. Now I have a full experience in my, I'm applying in USA in bachelor, and I have done my intermediate. So I will explain, I will tell you how you can apply if you have a complete your intermediate, and how you can apply in bachelor, undergraduate programs in the USA. So let's get started. First of all, you can maintain your profile, academic profile, like you need get your 70% of marks in your metric and inter. After then, you need, this is option point SAT test, but I recommend, highly recommend, everyone who is want to get fully scholarship in the USA, you need take a SAT score, which is called SAT test, which is where show your ability, how your grades, and like anything like that, which is tell you how you are really better in your education. And if you are going to applying in computer science field, that is optional for you. After then, this is very important, and this is the a part of your profile, which is IELTS and PT, Duolingo and TOEFL, anything like that, which is show you are proficient. You can speak English easily, you can write, you can listen, you can and read anything in English. That is very important on your profile. And if you have done this test, you can anything what you want in USA. So this is the maybe first priority. Sorry, first is your academic grade, and the second priority is like test, English proficiency test. And if you have a you do not have a grade in metric, you complete your O level, A level, that is option for you. You can make your certification from your school, from your college, which is called a proficiency certification, which is very acceptable. Most university in US accept, because your college is internationally recognized. O level and A level is internationally recognized. And if you complete your O level, A level, you can make from your principal, which is called proficiency certification, which is very important. And if you have a don't IELTS, you don't do IELTS, and this option is best for you. After then, this is the part of activity. This part is very important. Most university, mostly maybe a lot of universities, they want to see student out of the class, what they do, and this activity, and they have any talent like that. This is very important. If you're interested in cricket, interested in badminton, any playing games like that, you can, if you have done a lot of this, if you have done a lot of medals and certification about this tournament, and you are win this match, you can apply scholarship on this part. This part is very important for your profile. After then, I will discuss about the achievements. Achievements is very important, and this part is very important in your profile. Like achievement, like I'm applying in USA in artificial intelligence program, undergraduate, and I complete my metric with the medical, because I was interested in medical, and I was interested in medical. I will become a doctor. Like after then, when I become a inter, and I decide uh, I will do civil engineering, and I study pre-engineering in inter. Then when I come in 12th class, I realized the artificial intelligence is growing very fast. That field is very helpful for my future, and if I do this, I can change my life. So after then, I was not any experience about computer science, about artificial intelligence. After then, I complete my courses. I take courses from Chicago State, USA, Chicago State, which is company, networking company, and I have done Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, web development, and introduction to computer science, introduction to artificial intelligence, introduction to machine learning, introduction to data science. This is make my fundamental, and I have a personally my project in GitHub profile, and as well as I'm studying in YouTube. This is very helpful for my scholarship, and that's make my fundamental strongs, anything like that. So this calculator, this is achievement, and this activity is very important. This achievement is very golden for your profile. If you for your profile, this achievement boosts your profile, and you can get full scholarship in the USA. And you need understand yourself. This is not easy process. This is hard, and this take a months, a lot of months. I'm struggling a lot of, but right now I have not get any scholarships, but I'm struggling right now. So that is very important. And after then, I'm doing some tips about the interviews USA. Most people, they have a not speaking skill. They do not speak well. Even they have done PT, then if they have a Duolingo, and if they have done IELTS better band, but they have not speaking skill. They do not speak. Someone they shy, some they unconfident, and uncomfortable about someone, if they have opportunity to talk something, anything like that. So first of all, make your speaking skill, because the interview is very hard. You need to speak, and officer check your ability to your speaking ability, you are real student or not, anything like that. You need to first of all change your speaking skill. Every day open your camera and make 10-minute video any topics and speak English. If you are not speak what you know, anything like that. If you know one word, you can need to speak on on the front of camera. So that is very important for your speaking skill, for your clear your interview. And I explain everything about a scholarship, how you can get a scholarship, how you can maintain your profile, and as well as I will tell you how you can get a scholarship and how you can apply. If you want to merit based scholarship, you need to just focus on your profile and apply for admission. After admission, university provide merit based scholarship fully fund automatically. They have option, they just check your profile, they just get your admission. If you get admission in any university, they just watch your profile, check your profile. After then they get your fully fund scholarship, which is merit based scholarship, which is very helpful for your future. And this scholarship change your life, because if you get this scholarship, you do not need to work, and you can get a scholarship. You can study well, you can do study well and anything like that. You can study well, and you can get a better grade in your study, because you have a best focus on your study, because you have a scholarships. So that is the important. And the scholarship is very helpful for your life. You do not living your life with depressions, anxiety, anything like that. You just focus on your study. So this is very important for your life. If you are going to study in the USA especially, so without a scholarship you do not go in USA. That is very risky for you. That is very depression, anxiety, anything like that, uncomfortable for you, because without a scholarship is not possible you can do study in the USA. Because maybe per semester fees is 30 to 40 lakhs, which is very expensive, and Pakistan people don't afford this fees. So just focus on your profile. If you have not a strong profile and you complete your entry, you can gap a 1 year and for make your profile, because university don't like average profile. And if you have a gap and you have a not decent profile, that is very risky for you. You can get admission, but scholarship is very low chances for you. So first of all, make yourself and to time yourself to do something big like that, to make your profile, and take your 1 year to make your profile. So I hope this is very helpful for you. And the last tip is that just believe on yourself. If you have believe on yourself, you can do anything what you want. And as well as believe on your God. Your God have a better plan for you as compared to you. If you have plan and you do not success in this plan, not thinking about I'm doing something wrong, I am not enough for me. So that is not good thinking. You just believe on yourself. Your God is best planner for you. So I hope this lecture is very helpful, very motivational, and very helpful student who is want to study in the USA. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Keep learning, keep growing. Learn Teach Institute. Thank you so much.